large language models, generative AI has been such a buzzword in the past year, tremendously being so publicly to everybody nowadays. So specific wise, this is not like a new technology. So GPT-1 was up about 6 years ago. Across the years, there was GPT-1, 2, 3, and ChatGPT was based on 3.5. Now it's GPT-4. So historically, that's the GPT or GPT-based technology now is because they run and trained in huge amount of data and with the technology called reinforcement learning. So every time you use a system, you actually optimize the system. So that's why it's getting better and better. It's becoming so like, and its intelligence. So it is extremely powerful as many use cases have been demonstrated in the past year. So every day you see some new models built, new application built. There was a lot of excitement in the healthcare and life science areas. So at IMO here, we actually have about three new initiatives around this area. The first one is we set up a large language model service which support users. You can train your own data and then generate your own user cases, your own applications using the services. So that's the first thing we support. The second one is we're actually training a biomedical specific NLP, which is trained using our terminology. As you probably know, IML terminology is interfacing terminology. The beautiful part of it is actually very rich and granular. To give you an example, for disease, let's see if it's lipodystrophy. It is a disease which has two forms. One is a genetic causing disease, the other is acquired version of it. So under the genetic cause of it, there are 9 biomarkers causing those diseases. IMO code actually code all those genetic mutation cause the disease differently. So within those very rich content knowledge and trained on massive data, our model is actually very strong and powerful, specifically in the clinical medicine domain. So that is the second service we do. The third one is in life science space. So I run the team here in the lab. We call ourselves life science innovations and solutions. So we have been built a lot of platforms and solutions from the drug discovery to the implementation to the clinical development and also FDA approval to the post-marketing surveillance.